Ah, well, good morning, everybody. It's about 5:15 this morning. Been here for about 30 minutes. It's my favorite part of the day. It's everything's calm and quiet, and I get an opportunity to spend some time with God and watch the world wake up, and just go over my plan for the week, my day. Of course, it changes every day, but at least have some kind of structure going on. I haven't posted a video in a while. I took a couple videos over the week. My dad was in town, and man, we made some really cool changes around here. Kind of doing a spring cleaning, getting ready for the season, and it's been incredible. And so, just wanted to take a minute and say, hey, I got a handful or a bunch of new subscribers actually. So thank you all. Sorry I haven't been posting as much. I haven't been posting on Facebook or anything else. Just it's been a lot going on, and yeah, we got some really big projects that I'm excited about, that are happening right now, and trying to just taking all my attention. And so, but I appreciate y'all checking this out. Just want to do, like I said, a quick update, let you know what's going on here at Fat Bob's Wood Co. Thank God for coffee. This is one project that we're going to be doing. This is for a wedding venue. Really cool. We're making a couple revisions, but this is kind of the gist of it all. We're going to do a live edge tabletop. We're going to kind of make it rustic. I'm going to hand fabricate all the angle line around the edges, kind of make it look like an old school kind of barrel with a tree stump base to it. I had this awesome cedar driftwood. I'll be making a chandelier out of, and some benches to go along with it. That's due really soon, next couple weeks, and then it's got voted #1 wedding resort in Tennessee. So it's kind of a big deal, big project, a lot of moving parts. So it's been a little stressful, a little exciting, everything, all the emotions. And so on top of that, got about 15 more orders to do. This is another one that we're doing. This is going in a kitchen, and so it's a navy vet. So we're going to take a cedar post. There's I guess a post coming out of the kitchen. I'm going to run it down, carve some rope wrapped around it, put the U.S. Navy logo with the anchor and everything in the middle of it. That's due real soon. This is another set that we're doing. This is going to be going to Italy, of all things. And so just a coffee table, end table, and a bear carving, which is really cool. You know, Italy, that's a big deal for me. So we'll have Canada, Cuba, and Italy, and then everywhere else in America. And so all these are due within the next few weeks, on top of all these other things due in the next few weeks. So it's been a push. It's been a push, and fortunately, I've had a lot of help from my dad, Justin. He's been killing it, and so he's got a bunch of pieces out. But I figured I would just show what's been going on. I haven't taken a ton of pictures of stuff that we've done, but I'll include some of that in this little video right now, and then see you guys in a minute.
there. So the truck was over there, and we got it moved kind of over, kicked off to the side, a little closer to the shop. What I noticed, it was kind of blocking everything from people driving by. So that was cool. But got some big plans for this thing. We're gonna decorate it. We got this whole area out front here cleaned out. We're getting ready for mulch, flowers, benches. Might throw a couple little cornhole boards out here. We'll see what happens. Took down all the Christmas lights, and yeah, so there's Pops over there getting all the carving area cleaned up, everything graded out, and like I said, Justin's in there working.
sun is out now, and getting ready to start the day. Got a bunch of stuff lined up. Got to make a big supply run this morning and get these projects started. So a lot of random stuff going on, just little snidbits of different things that's happened over the last week or so. I say this all the time, I'll try to do better, capturing more videos and more stuff, but enjoy the randomness. I'm pretty random myself, so yeah, you guys get to be included in that. But again, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Yeah, it's slowly growing, and like I said, I haven't done a lot or given it a lot of attention, so I really appreciate y'all. But with that said, thank you for joining me on Changing This World one piece at a time. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and hope you guys stay blessed, and God bless to every single one of you. And yeah, I look forward to some more of these and doing some more stuff with y'all, and going from there. But hope y'all have a blessed day. I'll talk to you soon. I love y'all. Until next time.
Like and subscribe.